Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Sambhaji Kale. Today's topic is CIOMS. CIOMS stands for Council for International Organization of Medical Science, in which the Council for International Organization of Medical Science is an international non-governmental non-profit organization established jointly by WHO and UNESCO in 1949. CIOMS represent a substantial proportion of the biomedical scientific community through its member organization, which include many of the biochemical disciplines in which National Academies of Science and Medical Research Council are there. CIOMS mission is to advance public health through guidance on health research and policy includes ethics, products developments and safety. CIOMS is an official relation with WHO and is an associate partner of UNESCO. And in pharmacovigilance, CIOMS is first working group on pharmacovigilance, working group on international reporting of adverse drug reaction to explore means of coordinating and standardizing international adverse drug reactions or reporting by pharmaceutical manufacturers to regulatory authorities. Its agenda was limited to post-marketing reporting of adverse drug reaction occurring in one country in which pharmaceutical industry report to regulatory authorities. Country which pharmaceutical industry should report to regulatory authorities in one countries where the drug also marked. In 1997, CIOMS conference on trends and prospects in drug research and development recommended that by offering in independent forms of CIOMS should facilitate discussion of policy matters between the research based, that is pharmaceutical companies and national regulatory authorities, and when indicates a convened group of experts to make recommendation of specific issues. CIOMS working group are there and responsibility are there. First working group is international reporting of ADR through suspect adverse reaction reporting from CIOMS form. Second working group is international reporting of periodic drug safety update summary. Third working group is a guideline for preparing 4 clinical safety information on drug, including new proposal for investigation countries. Working group of 4, benefit risk balance for market, drug evaluating safety signals. Fifth one group is current challenge in pharmacovigilance, practical or pragmatic approach. Sixth one is management of safety information from clinical trials. Seventh one is development of safety update reports. Working group of 8, that is the application of single detection in pharmacovigilance. 9 one is a working group practical consideration of development and application of toolkit for medical product risk and management. Working group 10, in which consideration of applying good meta-analysis practice to clinical data within a regulatory process. These are the working group of CIOMS. CIOMS having governmental non-profit organization. CIOMS does not have any regulatory power. The main objective of CIOMS are the facilitate and promote international activity in the field of biomedical science to achieve the objective. CIOMS has initiated the following main long-term program. Like first is a health policy, ethics and human values and international dialogue, bioethics, drug development and use, international nomenclature and diseases. CIOMS working group are cover wide range of drug safety topics, in which this group consists of scientific firm of academia, mutual industries and regulatory authorities come together to formulate the guideline. There is a ethical guideline in SIOMS are there, and these are all about SIOMS. Thank you.